And welcome to PM Weather, ladies and gentlemen. I'm student meteorologist Alex Herbst here with your forecast for central New Hampshire. We are back after a week off where the Plymouth State campus was pretty empty of students, but now students are back. We take a look outside and we can see some partly cloudy skies for our students coming back to campus today. And those partly cloudy skies gave way to mostly clear skies by the end of the day as the sun began to set. Our high temperature today, earlier this afternoon, was around 24 degrees, but the temperatures have continued to rise here into the evening in the Granite State. Our low was set around 7 degrees earlier this morning. Our normals for this time of year are 43 and 21, so we are a far cry from our normal temperatures this time of year. Our sunrise and sunset, our sunset tonight was at 7:02 p.m. Our sunrise will be tomorrow morning at 6:45 a.m. For Plymouth, we see that at 5 p.m. we had a temperature of 26 degrees, so temperatures are still rising here into the early evening hours, a dew point of 9 with sunny skies. The winds are out of the west-northwest at 13 miles an hour, so we're definitely seeing those winds that are helping keep the temperatures cooler, so those wind chills are definitely below that 26 degrees that you see here on your screen. Our temperatures around the state of New Hampshire do show 27 degrees in Laconia, 30 degrees in Portsmouth, 32 degrees to the south in Nashua, and as we head further south, we see 32 degrees also in Boston, 31 degrees in Hartford, and 37 degrees in Bridgeport, Connecticut. Those temperatures continue to get warmer as we do move south. These are the temperatures we really want to see here in the Granite State already. It's 75 degrees in Memphis, it's 66 degrees in Atlanta. These warmer temperatures are going to start to make their way up to the east and north. Those temperatures will definitely help us get warmer over the next 48 hours, but then we could see those temperatures crash back down by the weekend. So let's take a look at that stuff. Starting with our satellite and radar, we can see some scattered clouds over parts of extreme northern Coos County. So up in Pittsburgh, that's where they're seeing some mostly cloudy skies here late this afternoon. We also see not really many clouds over much of the northeast, but as you move out to the Great Lakes, you can see some rain and snow over parts of Ohio and Indiana. The snow stretched from Akron back to Indianapolis, and some rain showers continuing to fall over Columbus just to the south of Akron. That's all part of a system that's going to be moving into our area in the next 48 hours. We can see this comma-shaped type cloud that is forming from areas like South Dakota all the way down into the panhandle of Oklahoma. These areas are going to start to be filled in with rain and snow showers over the next 24 hours. As we'll see here on our surface map, we have a low pressure center sitting over Missouri right now, and that's where we're seeing some of that precipitation just off to their northeast. That rain and snow will continue to spread over the next 24 hours, and we'll see further development with this system as the rain begins to spread from areas like the Tennessee Valley all the way back into Kansas and Nebraska. Areas across the Great Plains could see some severe weather tomorrow. So if you're in areas like Kansas City, St. Louis, those areas, or you know family that's over there, you may want to warn them that they could be seeing some severe weather over the next 24 hours. We also see some snow showers up to the north in areas like North Dakota and South Dakota, also some mixed precipitation as that colder air has begun to make its way further north. It's starting to retreat, thankfully, as spring has finally arrived for us here in the United States. This rain, though, will move further to the east in the next 24 hours, and that's when it's going to start to impact the Granite State. So we start to see the rain from Atlanta all the way up to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. That's going to be moving into our area by Wednesday night, including some of that mixed precipitation as we will see here in our model forecast. On Tuesday, really not much going on for us here in the Granite State. It'll be a nice clear day. It'll be a beautiful day. We'll hit the 30s, which will be a great welcome sight after a rather cold day today. But by Wednesday, late in the afternoon, we'll start to see those showers move in from the west. We can see some of those scattered mixed precipitation showers that are starting to fall over areas like Springfield all the way up into Glens Falls and Albany, the capital district of New York. That's around 4:30 on Wednesday. We could be seeing some of those showers starting to move into that area, and we'll see them start to move also into the Granite State by later that night. So for tonight, here in Plymouth, we'll be looking at 7 degrees with mostly clear skies. Winds will be out of the northwest at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tomorrow, we'll see 35 degrees with sunny skies. Winds will be out of the northwest at around 5 miles an hour. Wind will definitely not have as much of an impact on the wind chill tomorrow, so it'll definitely feel quite a bit warmer than it did today here in the Granite State. For Tuesday night, we'll see clear skies, definitely a clear night out there, low around 18 degrees. Winds will be out of the northwest at around 5 miles an hour. And in our extended forecast, we will see those showers starting to enter the picture on Wednesday. Those will be entering earlier in the evening for our friends to the south, later in the evening up to the north. Then by Thursday, those showers continue to linger here across the Granite State, and continuing into Friday, they could turn into snow showers. So definitely be watching PM weather to get all the updates on this developing storm. And by Saturday, those temperatures continue to bottom out. They could hit as low as the mid-30s. Be sure to check vortex.plymouth.edu for all the latest updates on the weather. For PM weather, I'm student meteorologist Alex Herbst. Have a great night.